Book page 4. Class, today we have a very bouncy visitor. It's letter B. Can everyone say B, B, B? Make your lip pop like a bubble. Look at the book. We have big B and small b. Big B has two small bellies and small b has just one. Look at the picture. Who can tell me what this yellow wheel is? Bus. That's right. Bus. Bus. What about this one that we used to play cricket? Bat. Exactly right. Bat. 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 Bicycle. Bicycle. Boat. Boat. Bus. Bus. Bag. Let's start tracing. Start at the top, draw a straight line to the bottom. This is the letter back. Lift your pencil, jump back to the top and curve around the middle. From that middle point, curve around again to the bottom. Now it has a big belly. Let's move to the letter B, small b. First stay down up to the mid. Turn to right. Make a round lid. I hope student you understand well.